Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hardik Yadav. Today I am going to tell a speech on if I had my own rocket ship, which planet would I visit? So first, I will tell you about universe. What is universe? Universe is unending area, unending which contains light, stars, living things, comets, rocks and planets, galaxies, and many more, black holes too. um, uh, we are so lucky that we live in a galaxy Milky Way, where is solar system, and there is a planet Earth, in which way we live, which has life, but scientists are discovering about the Mars also has life, and and let's get started to which planet would I visit. If I had my own rocket ship, I would like to visit Jupiter, because it is the largest planet of our solar system. So it is so large that 1,300 or 1,300 Earths can fit inside one Jupiter. Can you realize? Can you imagine 1,300 Earths? So it is so huge, and I would like to visit Jupiter, because when I will see Jupiter has 61 moons. I will see that 61 moons revolving around it. And some of the moons are Europa, Ganymede, and Io, etc. And it is a gaseous planet, mainly composed of helium and hydrogen. Then helium and hydrogen. Jupiter also has a large great red spot on its surface, which is also known as the Great Red Spot. It is persistent highly temperature, and the storms comes out of it. It is bigger than the Earth, and the hot winds, storms came out of it, these are called solar storms. So I would not like to visit that Great Red Spot, because it is so hot, I will die. But it's so then I said you that it is so hot, and it has been raged raged Earth by 100 years ago. 100 years. And do you know there is one similarity between Sun and the Jupiter? All the planets revolve around the Sun, and those planets are big, and all the big moons are revolving around the Jupiter. Now you were thinking that why I am saying big moons, because the moons of the Jupiter are as similar as the size of Earth, or bigger than the Earth. So the Jupiter is bigger, and Earth is smaller, and Jupiter's moons are bigger, and Earth's moon is smaller. So thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.